In this video, you're going to learn how to locate the MLA citation for an EBSCO database article and how to copy, paste, and format it according to MLA guidelines into a Google Doc. Please also see my other videos on how to cite and format a SIRS database article and also on how to use an online citation generator to create MLA citations for internet articles. Let's begin. Okay, in front of me I have an article from EBSCO, and I've decided that I want to use it for my research paper. In order to locate the citation, on the right-hand side of the article, I'm going to look under Tools, and where it says Cite, I'm going to click on it. Now, citation format. There's many different formats to choose from. What I'm looking for is MLA. So within this window, I have to scroll down until I find it. There it is. Starting with the author's last name, I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to right-click. I'm going to copy it. Now I have my document. First, I want to set it up the way it should look before I paste in my citation. First thing I want to do is go to the center, type in Works Cited, and then I want to change the font to Times New Roman, size 12, double spaced. Then I want to put my cursor next to the top line. I want to hit enter one time. Okay, no extra spaces between things. And then I want to go back over to the left. Now I'm ready to paste in my citation. I'm going to right click and paste. Now, as you can see, there are some things wrong. First of all, there's this strange highlighting. It's not in the right font. It might not be in the right size. Yeah, it's in size 10. So there are some things that I definitely have to change once it's in my works cited document to make it look the way it's supposed to. The easiest way to do it is to start from scratch. I'm going to highlight my citation, and I'm going to go over to the right-hand side of the toolbar where this little T with the slash through it. When I hover over it, it says clear formatting. That means clear all the weird stuff that's going on, like the highlighting, the strange font. So I'm going to click that, and that's what I got. So now again, back to what we need to have going on in our MLA works cited document is number 1, Times New Roman, number 2, size 12, number 3, double spaced. Okay, so far so good. But what we don't have yet are our indents. MLA citation, the rules are that the first line of your citation is all the way to the left, but each line after that is indented 1/2 an inch. So with that citation highlighted, you go up to the top in the ruler, and you'll see the upside down triangle with a little rectangle over top. Click on just the triangle, drag it over to the 1/2 inch mark, and then click on just the rectangle and drag just the rectangle back to 0. Think triangle over, rectangle back. So now we have these beautiful margins set up the way they're supposed to be. Now there's one other thing that I want to change. Do you see this big empty space here? Okay, there's too much space. I need to pull part of my URL, part of this line, to fill this space. So, but the reason why this whole thing is on its own line is because there are no spaces. That's the nature of a URL. There's no spaces. So I have to create a space. So I kind of have to eyeball it and guesstimate what part of this is going to fit up here and put my cursor where I think it should go. So in theory, I think everything to the left of my cursor should go on that previous line. So I'm going to put my cursor there, and I'm going to hit the space bar. Looks pretty good. I probably could have fit a little bit more, but it looks good. It looks like I tried to fill the space and it looks much, much neater. So each time you enter in another citation, with EBSCO specifically, you're going to have to go through the formatting again. Size 12. It's already double spaced, luckily, this time. Okay, and then you're going to want to adjust your margins. Or if you want to start over from scratch again, like I did previously, highlight your citation and hit the clear formatting, and then go ahead and go through and make your changes. Okay, and then highlight, triangle over, rectangle back, find that spot, hit space. I'm going to do it one more time. Right click, highlight the whole thing, remove the formatting, font, size, spacing, margins, fill the space. Okay, and if you need me to look at your work cited before you turn it in, I have no issues with that. You can email me. My email is available on the library portal, or you can ask your teacher to email me, or you can come see me in person.